Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton. This is
Jaxon.
This is
Hi.
Presley. This is Harper. Say hi, Harper.
He just likes the blueberries.
So today we're gonna make a special dessert. The kids wanted, actually it was Presley's idea. She wanted to make what are these? Popsicle, ice cream pops, right?
Yeah.
And here we have blueberries, with Harper's eating, and here we have strawberries.
I love strawberries, actually.
If you're ready, we're ready. You ready? Yeah. Let's get to cooking. Let's go. What you want to do first? You want to do strawberries first?
Yeah.
Okay, Presley put the strawberries in. Harper put strawberries in. Put it in here, Harper.
I'm gonna get a fork in this. I'm gonna get this so I can just.
Yeah, put it all the way in.
I'm gonna do this with my hand.
Ooh.
Ooh, a lot of strawberries.
Yeah, that's a lot of strawberries.
I'm gonna put a blueberry in there. I was putting blueberries in there.
Oh, okay. You want to mix it up? You're gonna put some water in there.
Water?
Make it a little bit more water. Okay.
Deep one blueberry.
Now we put
blueberry there.
we'll put a little sugar.
Yep. Yeah, sugar.
Some sugar.
I want a spoon.
Okay.
We're making three different kinds.
One count.
We're making 3 different kinds. Wait, no, 4 different kinds.
Two.
Both of them are
2.
3.
Not much. Okay, 3. Okay. Oh, Presley, Harper want to put blueberries in there too. Let's put all the blueberries in, okay?
Make a rainbow ice cream.
Yeah.
That's what we're making. Also, we're making chocolate ice cream too. Right, Dad?
Okay, you ready? Yep, and we're gonna do it later.
Yeah.
Now we'll put the.
We put the water in there.
Yep. Put it on. Harper, push the button. Okay.
We're done. We're gonna make.
Now
two
take it off.
different kind of ice creams.
Yep.
Daddy.
Now we got, what is this called? Strawberry and blueberries, right?
Strawberry and blueberries.
Mmm, look at that.
I want to try it.
You want to try it? Let's get a spoon.
Here. I already have one. I'm just waiting for it to taste test for Harper and Press.
Okay, hold on. Try it. Is it good? Jaxon, you want to try it?
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you. You don't like fruits?
Yeah, I'm not really a fruit fan.
Okay. Give Harper some.
Press the phone. Harper, give it to Harper. Nom, nom, nom.
Is it good, Harper? Yeah.
You like it?
Okay. Okay, now we get to take this off. Hold on, Harper. Leave it alone. Push this down. Make sure it's secure. Okay.
Yeah. I got the dings. Don't hide.
No, Harper. 3. Okay, you're gonna do 3.
Are you ready?
Yes. Let's do this. Let's hope it don't spill.
Good so far. Daddy, how do you know like strawberry and blueberries? Okay, done. 1,
1.
2. Our second one.
Uh-oh.
Too much juice.
It's okay. We'll clean it up later.
Yeah, we can clean it up, yeah. We can just wipe it off with a towel.
Yeah.
Daddy, not that lot.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Okay, 3. Now let's put the top back on.
I put it.
Yeah.
Can I put it?
Yeah.
Harper's putting.
Harper put it. Oh.
Too much.
Too much.
I'll get a towel. Hold on.
Ooh, good job, Presley.
I'm a good girl.
Yeah, you good girl.
Yeah. this. I like to be organized sometimes. I like to make it clean. Daddy, I want a spoon. Hey.
Smoothie. Okay. Yeah, all right.
Like all of our videos are kind of short. Daddy?
Harper, what are you doing?
She loves strawberries.
Okay. Ready?
We're done
Let's
with
make the vanilla. Oh,
We're
don't
gonna
touch.
make the vanilla and chocolate.
Okay, Jackson, you want to stand right here? Let's do the vanilla. Shake yours up a little bit.
Shake it up.
This is heavy cream, heavy whipped cream.
What's pepper whipped cream for?
This is vanilla. Jackson, you want to pour it in?
Come on, pour it in.
Okay, Jackson, do it. Okay.
Enough?
Nope, keep more. Let's do about 3. Okay, that's good.
Done.
Okay.
Looks like a happy face. Like
Now we
Mickey
got
Mouse.
condensed milk.
Condensed milk is from the army.
Ooh, look at this creamy milk.
Oh my gosh, I never saw condensed milk before. Me too. Ew. That looks creamy. That's creamy.
Hey!
No.
No, Harper.
This is a different recipe, not strawberry recipe.
No. Try that. Try that.
No more sugar. Nah.
A little bit more sugar.
Yeah. Cream.
Okay, that's good enough.
2 sugars.
And then here we got vanilla extract.
Chocolate with it.
No, I do this. This you have to be very careful. Mmm. Smell that.
Mmm, it smells like chocolate.
Okay.
Smells like chocolate.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Then we're gonna
Now we're gonna mix it up.
mix it up. It's gonna be too loud. It's gonna be too loud. I do.
You like it?
This
Now-
milk is good. I like the smoothie.
You like the smoothie?
Yeah. Sweet.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Mmm. Tastes good? It tastes like vanilla?
Yeah. Creamy vanilla.
Yeah.
Fill that up. Daddy, not that what?
Oh, Hopper.
Oh, no. Not that. Not that what, Daddy?
Not too much?
Harper likes it. Harper's putting her stuff vanilla in there. No. Daddy,
I'm spilling it, huh? Okay, now we'll put the top back on.
Yeah. 1, 2, 2, 3. Where's the chocolate gonna go in there?
Okay, Hopper.
That when's the chocolate gonna go
When we
in there?
take it out, we're gonna dip it in chocolate. Or you want to put chocolate chips in there right now?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, put some in there.
This?
Mm-hmm.
We can put
Yeah,
white
put
ones
it-
too?
Yeah, put whatever you want.
White.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get 2 cups full. I'm gonna get a small cup, okay? What?
Okay, that's good enough for that.
Okay. And try this.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Wait,
now
I
put it on
haven't
this
tried
one.
chocolate chips in a while. I
Okay.
tried chocolate chips.
Okay.
I'm gonna get. Can I call?
So what's up, guys? Here we're back. It's been maybe 7 hours.
Yeah,
We- Here we go, the final results. It's all frozen. Wanna try it? Okay. Let's see if it pulls straight out. Okay, Presley. You have to melt at the outside first and they'll pull straight out. Oh, look at that. Here, hold that. You like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, pull it out, Jackson. Whoa. What did it taste like?
Chocolate vanilla.
Chocolate vanilla. Harper, let's try Harper try it. Let Harper try some. It's good. Jackson, let Harper try some too.
Here's chocolate flake.
It's good. It's good, Heart. Yeah.
Presley, where you going? No, go nowhere.
Why?
Okay, take picture right here. Cheese.
Cheese.
Look at Daddy. Smile.
Okay, guys. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye. Thank you for watching. Little kiss.
Make sure to like and subscribe.